And very good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to speak English confidently and fluently, how to speak English like native speaker. I know that you are really wondering that you also want to become an English speaker. But there's a problem that you are not a native speaker. I know that who are the native speaker. The people those are born in a English speaking country like US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. So these are the English speaking countries. So the people those who born over there, they call the native speaker. Other than those who are born in other countries, they call the non-native speakers. So if you are a non-native speaker and you want to speak English confidently and fluently like the native speaker, so don't worry, I'm here to help you. I am also a non-native speaker, but I learn from my mentors. I learn by watching English media. I learn by speaking English in front of mirror. I learn by reading newspapers. So same thing you should have to do to improve your English speaking practice. The one thing very important, reading is very important, because what you consume you will deliver. If you will read English more and more, you will going to improve more and more, because you are not just reading, you are working on your pronunciation, you are working on building your vocabulary. Second thing, when you are listening English media, you are not just listening, you are learning, you are watching someone while speaking in English. So if you can see someone while speaking in English, you can also improve yourself. Other thing, when you try to speak English in front of mirror, so you can see yourself, you can make an eye contact with yourself and try to speak more and more in English, so that you can improve your English speaking practice. Because confidence is not just like a tablet you can take and you can speak. It is a consistent practice. If you do the practice every day, you will going to improve. When a swimmer do a practice every day, so then only he can win. Look at the Michael Phelps, how he has got so many Olympic because of his practice. He has done practice every day. That is why he is the champion in the swimming. So same thing, if you really want to improve yourself, you want to become a Michael Phelps of English speaking, so you have to do the practice, you have to learn. And so for this I have a new advanced word for you from the book Word Power Made Easy, written by the Norman Lewis Advanced. This is the best book for advanced English. So let's start. Abstinent. Listen carefully. Abstaining, voluntary, not doing something, especially something pleasant. Now I will make a sentence by using that word so you can really understand. Biluha used to be a chain smoker. Now she's abstinent. Okay. Another word also, Cynthia, who was dieting, tried to be abstinent. Abstract. Next word is abstract. Theoretical or impersonal. The meaning. And now the sentence. To like something in the abstract is to like the idea of it. He liked oysters in the abstract. Next word, abstruse, hard to understand. The professor's article on the meaning was very abstruse. Next word for today, abysmal. Abysmal. The meaning is hopeless or rest. The nation debt crisis was abysmal. There seemed to be no possible solution to it. And the final word, last word for today is accolade. Accolade, an award and honor. This word is generally used in the plural. The first breakdancing troupe to perform in Carnegie Hall. Okay, so we have completed today's vocabulary. We will do only 5 words every day, and I think that 5 words every day is enough to improve your vocabulary. But this is not enough, my friends. You have to do the practice if you want to speak in English. So you have to start speaking in English in front of mirror, or record your own voice on your smartphone. If you do not have the smartphone, it is not an issue, but nowadays everyone has a smartphone. So if you do not have, so try to speak in front of mirror at least for 5 to 10 minutes, or if you have the smartphone, so record your own voice at least for 10 to 15 minutes and watch your voice, listen your voice and watch your video as well, so that you will do the self realization of your success or your practice. So I hope you like the video of today. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.